Soak the rice for 30 minutes. Take a large-sized pot. Add 2 cups of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 8 cloves, pinch of black seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 12 to 15 whole black pepper, 4 black cardamom. Mix, mix, mix. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix, mix, mix. Add some water and mix, mix, mix. Add 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. Add 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. Add a little bit of water. Add 2 cubes of chicken stock. Add 4 pieces of Kashmiri lal mirch. Start adding water according to the quantity of your rice. I am making 9 glasses of rice, which is about 16 glasses of water. Cover the pot and wait for water to boil. Water is boiling now. Start adding rice gradually. Mix, mix, mix. Wait for the water to get dry. Add orange food color. Alhamdulillah, the Sajji rice is ready to serve.